Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm gonna show you how to use your iPhone in your computer, how to connect iPhone to your desktop or laptop and then copy files, movies, music, I don't know, anything you can transfer to iPhone. So today we're not going to be using iTunes, we'll be using a different software. We call it the ringtones. Okay, first thing you do is you open your web browser. You must be connected to internet. So you type, you Google search 3U tools, then pick www.3utools@3u.com. So you click on that, and then you download, scroll and download, start download. So I had already downloaded the file, so in my case I cancel. So you install the software, you click on it, say yes. So this is what you see. I agree, ensure that this is checked, and then you install, wait for it to finish. So this should take you less than a minute. Oh, it installs very fast. So this software is very interesting. It is very handy. As you can see, it has finished. So you launch, wait for it. It's right here. So this is what it shows you. Well, for the first time, it will ask you to install drivers for iTunes. So you just have to connect it to internet and then say continue. In my case, you can see that it did not say that because you already have the drivers installed. I had installed this software before, so I had to uninstall it and then for demonstration purposes. So this is what you get after you install the drivers. Well, now you pick your iPhone and then you connect it to the computer. So here I have the cable. The Thunderbolt cable is connected to my phone. This iPhone 6s. So this is what it shows you. It says iDevice connected. So we have already connected our device, and then you just click on OK. So here it will show you a preview of your phone, what's on your wallpaper. So you can see this is my wallpaper. You can also see that it's the same wallpaper that is here on my phone. So the same wallpaper, you can see that. So it will translate whatever wallpaper you have to the screen. Cool? That's so cool. So again, here you can see a lot of information. You're having a lot of information here about your phone, the phone type, color, iOS version, is it jailbroken, activated, all those now coming along here. So this app, you can mess around with it. So if you go to the test phone info, so you can go to apps. It will show you what apps you have installed in your phone. So this is the apps that I've installed in my phone. You can see them. And then updates, it gives you updates, apps which need to be updated. So you can just update from here. Assume you want to update Chrome, just click on update. Ensure that you are behind you bind your phone to. So it will ask for your Apple ID and password. So so I'm entering my Apple ID. And then you bind. I hope that's my Apple ID if I'm not wrong. So it asks for confirmation. I need to allow. And my authentication code. You just enter it, no harm. I'm the one doing it. And then okay. Then okay on my end. So it will ask that on my phone for confirmation, and then we are bound. I think we are bound now. Succeeded. So you say okay, and okay. So we have already bounded our phone, so we can go to apps and then update our Chrome here. You can see now it's updating, getting in for download, then you start connecting. Ensure that you have good fast internet, and then that depends on the speed of your internet. And so here we are, downloading real quick. So you can multitask, you can update all of them at once. And then the coolest thing about this app is that you just have to connect your phone, and then it will install directly to your phone. You don't have to it's as if now you have transferred your phone from your phone now to the computer. So you can see now it's transmitting. When it says this, means that it's moving the app from the laptop to your iPhone right here. So it's so cool. You wait for it to transmit. So if you look at our iPhone right now here, our Chrome app should be updating. So it's updating, it's transmitting. So the Chrome app is right here. So installing, and now you can see it disappeared from the list of apps to be updated. It's that fast. So assume I want to transfer photos to my phone, because that's actually the most important. When I click on photos, this is what that pops up. This is what that I have in my phone. So I want to import photos. For example, I click on import. You want a file or a folder, depends on what you want. So in my case, I want a file, so I click on file, and then under downloads, I don't know if I have photos. So there we have our cool wallpaper here. So we just click on it, and then we open. So it says waiting for you to open PicTools on device. So PicTool is another app that you will be prompted to install in your iPhone. So PicTools is also a very cool app. If you don't have it installed, this software will definitely ask you to install, and it will help you. So you just click install. So in my case, I already have PicTools. So I'm installing my PicTools. So I'm scrolling, try to find it. So it's under applications. So here it is. So you can see that it's already imported. Import complete. So this is a tool basically to help you import. So you can see now we have the new file here. That's so awesome. So I think that's it for photos. If you go to music, the same. You can, and also in photos you can export as well. So assume I want to export this cool selfie right here. No, don't open the selfies. You can have import photos. These are the ones that I imported earlier. So let's export that one. You just click on it. You can hold control to select multiples. Hold control in your machine to select multiples, but for now let's just export this one. You just click export, give it a location, say desktop, create new folder, say exported photos, exported from iPhone, to just open. One photo succeeded. So open folder to see the photo. There we have it. It's on our desktop, exported from iPhone. This is the photo that we have in the app. See that? Same photo. So that's so cool. Movies. Now let's go to videos. So you click on videos. So in videos, it will prompt you, it will ask you to install one of these softwares for you to view videos in your iPhone. So what I like installing is this Player Extreme. This is the one I like, so install that one. Definitely is the best. So all the time, make sure you are unlocking your iPhone. Unlock it. So it's installing, and as you can see here, it's downloading. So we wait for it to finish. In the meantime, I can be showing you around. So you can, this is under iDevice. Now go to apps. Assume you want an app, to download an app in your iPhone or to your iPhone. So you just assume I don't have a Netflix app. So you can see these are the apps that it brings you. So you can type whatever app you want here. In my case, let's check an app like I don't have Snapchat, so you can install Snapchat. So you start Snapchat. There it comes. So you install it. Then it starts downloading. Comes around here. See, it's connecting. Real quick, downloads real quick. You also need to have good internet speed. So I think let it continue. Let's go back to our videos. So you see, it already installed the applications. Now we can add videos. So what you do, we are doing multitasking.
Sorry, I didn't quite catch that.
Siri, I did not ask you to start, so please.
I don't know what you mean by.
Yes, goodbye. So here we have add files. So you select file. We are adding a movie from desktop. I guess I have some 2 movies there. From the video, remember the video we made earlier? So if you have not watched the video, you can click here and see how you can download movies online for free and watch them, stream them for free. Okay, so we add this movie called 2067 to our iPhone, and we are adding, and then we click on import. So it's importing to our iPhone. That should take us some few seconds. So you can see it's a big movie, 1.9 GB, but it will take you very little time. So click on, you can minimize that so that you see what's happening on this other end. Oh, I believe the app now installed. Now it's installing. The Snapchat is installing. If we can now go to our iPhone, so we are still downloading. Oh, it just came. You saw that? So there we have our Snapchat. Is that simple? So now you can open Snapchat. You see, you do not use your iPhone directly. You just use the app, and it's really fast and all that. So that's it. So again, we close that. We're done with that. Actually, that's one of the best features of the iPhone, where you can record your screen on your iPhone. There you can download videos. That's another way of downloading videos nobody knows. So don't tell anybody. Yeah, that's when you keep for yourself. So it will say installed. Here you can jailbreak your phone. I don't recommend that, but if you feel like you want to do it, just do that. We have a toolbox here. We have you can find this has a lot. Some of the things here I don't know actually what they do, but you can see it has a lot of tools, advanced developer tools. I don't know, I just use what I think helps me, and then I think that's it. So you can download ringtones. Oh, and another feature I almost forgot is wallpapers. You have that cool feature of wallpapers on your iPhone. So you can download very cool wallpapers. I'll show you several. So here you can see we have ringtones. What we do, let's just go to apps. Is it apps? Again, it will tell you the size of your phone, and you can rename your phone if you want. iDevice info. Come here, and then you can rename your device how you want. This is Vic's iPhone. I'm Vic, so I call it Vic's. So here you can change to anything. Say nuclear. Do that, and then now your phone changes to nuclear. So when I go to apps, see, now it's nuclear. So it depends with what you want to call your phone. So that's it. So here you can also reboot your phone. You can turn off your phone. You can refresh your phone. When it's refreshing, it can tell you what capacity your phone is, how many times your phone has been charged, the battery life, disk type, a lot of cool stuff here. So on the apps, I think we are done with that. Jailbroken. So I was to show you about to show you how you can add your wallpapers, cool wallpapers, in your iPhone. Okay. Oh, here we have ringtones and wallpapers. Really? Is that it? Like RT and WP? Why? Why? Damn, yeah. Cool ringtones. Who said that ringtones, the short form for ringtone is RT? I don't know, I just learned that now. But before, I think this app is upgraded. Every time they upgrade it. So before it wasn't like this. So here we have cool RT, cool ringtones. So you can play one and see. I just wanna go back to 1999. No. So you select multiple here, you can play. I'm so sorry I can't. There. So, okay, I'm waking people here. He's sleeping, Carter is sleeping, and I'm waking. So here you can download the app that you want. I mean the ringtone that you want. I don't know what I just downloaded. Then you can find it in your phone. So let's go to wallpaper. Wallpaper is so awesome. This feature is so cool. So here wallpaper you can find weekly ranks. These are HD. So here you have to select your iPhone. Is it iPhone 11 Pro Max, 11 XS, X, blah blah blah. Is it, so for our case it's iPhone 6s, right here, 6s. Right, let's select some cool ones. Have some nasty ones here. So it depends with what you want. Depends with the theme. So here you can have monthly ranking. I don't know. So genus, let's go to genus. Here you can select from I like simple or ideas. Ideas are cool. So let's do a good night or what. Everything will be okay. Let's select you can like I like this one. Just click on it to preview. And then import to camera roll, import to photo library, or save to local. Save to local is save to computer. Now here you want to import to camera roll, so it will download it. There we go. And then waiting. Now when you go to your iPhone, when you go to your phone now, you have to open the U tools again. I mean pick tools. Let's go to pick tools and check whether we have the image on our phone. It's right here. So cool. So cool. Now here we can apply this as wallpaper or whatever. So settings, and then we go to wallpapers. So we have our current wallpaper right there. So we go to all photos, set board. Ta-da! There we have it. So when you go back to our home page, this is our wallpaper. So when you go back here to iDevice info, you refresh. There we have a changed background. That's so cool. So there's a lot you can do with this app. It's a small app, very interesting and cool. And then I think that's all for today. So go try this out and then hit me in the comment section to know what you want me review or show you next time, or what hack you want me to add. It could be about computers or about iPhones, about any technology device that you have, then could be routers and everything. I think that's it for today. Have a good one.